Let's say my kid, she is 4.5.
4.5.
Yes.
So on what basis you buy it now? Like main requirements.
Let's say, like initially, let's say in the before until 6 months, we'll buy a toy which attracts the kid immediately, like sounds. Because first one the color வந்து attraction இருக்கும். first coloring attraction இருக்கும். அப்புறம் sounds attraction இருக்கும். அது வந்து நம்ம first 6 monthsல வந்து we buy small toy such that it creates nice sounds. It creates it has nice colors, collection of colors அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். Then different kinds of sound and music. Okay, any kind of thing, pee, papa, whatever it is. Okay, something should attract them. Because that is the only thing they can respond to. Only sound and some colors. So அது பேஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம வந்து maybe some little movements. At the same time, அந்த 6 monthsல உள்ள குழந்தைகளுக்கு வாங்குற டாய் வந்து it should not annoy them. அவங்க annoy பண்ண கூடாது. It should be mild.
So you're carrying on the issue, you need some
அந்த மாதிரி ப்ரெசென்ட்டா இருக்கணும். அது வந்து it should not annoy them by any means. It should not be too noisy. Or it should not be too troublesome for some reason or other.
What about the cost quality analysis? For example, do you prefer cost low price or else good quality kind of toy?
Yeah, that's the economic factor. Okay. You may buy better one and someone else may buy.
In your perspective, what's your
actually in my way of purchasing toys, I may go for few good quality of toys rather than filling up the space with a lot of toys.
Okay.
Instead of purchasing hundreds of 5 rupee toy, rather I will buy 100 rupee toy.
Okay.
That is the taste.
So you prefer quality then?
Yeah, I prefer quality.
Okay, so your kid should have
some nice thing. Even in fact, some of the toys even elders also enjoy. That is for sure, right?
Yeah, that's right. Even we get attracted.
Exactly. You take a whistle, for example. Everybody is attracted by whistle. So like there is a xylophone here.
Okay.
That has this sarigamapadhanisa.
Okay.
You can play.
Okay.
So that kids are attracted, even elders are attracted. Okay. In fact, many especially the China products. There are plenty of wonderful China make toys are there, which even elders are attracted. And that is not an issue.
Okay.
And as far as kids are concerned, 6 monthsல வந்து அந்த மாதிரி டாய் வாங்கணும். கலர்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கணும், மைல்டு சவுண்ட் அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கணும். Then 1 year ஆகும்போது you start buying toys which are of like drag பண்ற மாதிரி. They just started walking. They just started walking 1 year. So something like pulling or rolling, something like car. அந்த மாதிரி. Then some duck which will walk, wobbling kind of thing. So that they will also enjoy.
Some movement kind of toys.
Some movements, exactly. So that they also go behind them. Maybe 2 years you can buy a little bigger car or something. And then slightly bigger one, or maybe some boys may prefer guns kind of thing. So that varies. Depends on boy.
Action toys.
Depends on boy or a girl.
Okay, how girls prefer actually?
Girls usually prefer, especially the 2-year, 3-year kids. The girls they prefer kitchen set.
Kitchen set.
That is one option.
Okay.
We have a small kitchen set.
They see that mom cooking.
Exactly. Yeah, stove, then water pot, or a cooker, or even the idli patram. All kinds of everything is there. We have spoon, tatte, இந்த மாதிரி ஐட்டங்கள்லாம் வந்து girls child they may prefer. They prefer than boys. Yeah. Boys வந்து they may prefer gun அந்த மாதிரி அடிக்கிற ஐட்டம், the drums kind of thing boys may prefer. So அது ஒரு
Sir, and who generally buys toys for the kids? Sir, only parents or grandparents?
Well, usually parents like to buy toys for their kids because they have their own. They make their own. I mean, their understanding about kids and toys are better than the elders. Right. Because elder generations are different. They might have seen only wooden toys, for example. I have never seen toys in my life. Okay. Probably you might have seen little man. I would have seen more. And these kids are seeing even more toys. So elders வாங்குறத விட parents வாங்கினா அது ரொம்ப appropriate-ஆ இருக்கும்.
Correct, sir. But would you want to buy the?
Number 2 is elders may not know the options available on the market. They may not even know what kind of toys it is. And nowadays most of the toys are electronic kind of thing.
Correct.
அது நிறைய வருது. அது elders may not even know what kind of toy it is. இப்போ இப்போ இந்த ரிமோட் இதெல்லாம் வருது இல்லையா, இந்த ரிமோட் கார் அந்த மாதிரி அதெல்லாம் பாய்ஸ் மே ப்ரிஃபர் ஈவன் பெட்டர். ஓகே, அந்த மாதிரி பேட்டரி ரன் டாய்ஸ் that boys may prefer better. Yeah.
So you prefer to buy the new generation toys, or the kind of toys that you also played when you were young, you prefer to buy them also for your children?
Yeah, actually, well, I prefer to buy the new kind of toys because, and as I told you, elders also enjoy the toys.
Okay.
Yeah,
so you also want some.
Exactly. Some in fact, you can see a lot of creations in the toy making. China product லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா they make wonderful toys.
Okay.
Every elders are even attracted. There are quite a beautiful things are there. Even elders are attracted. Even some home they keep toys as a showpiece.
Right.
Toys in a showpiece ல வச்சு அழகா பார்ப்பாங்க. That is also there. எங்க வீட்ல கிடையாது, but I'm just telling you.
Yeah. Even elders are getting attracted.
Elders are getting attracted. Yeah. அது ஒண்ணு. இப்போ அது வந்து எல்டர்ஸ் கிராண்ட் பேரண்ட்ஸ்க்கு அவ்வளவு ஆப்ஷன் தெரியாம இருக்கலாம்.
Okay. Sir. Then regarding branded items.
Yes. Then another thing regarding toys, when they grow 2.5 or 3 years, they start watching these cartoon channels.
Okay.
This kind of say some cartoon is going on, no?
Okay.
So cartoon there are heroes, heroines, some superheroes.
Okay.
So they are also attracted by the main characters of the cartoon. Like there's something called Doraemon. Doraemon is one Japanese cartoon movie. And there is a Doraemon. He is actually he makes devices for everything. Okay, so the main character also being attracted by the kids. So when they go for shopping, the kids they look for Doraemon Doraemon toy or something. Illa innonu vandu Chota Bheem nu varum. Something on Chota Bheem. Okay. So they prefer Chota Bheem kind of thing or models of it. அந்த மாதிரி சின்ன சின்ன விஷயங்கள்லாம் இருக்கும். Yeah, அந்த அதுவும் இருக்கும். As they grow older. In fact, as they grow slightly older, you don't have to choose. They choose.
Okay. They are trying to influence you to buy them toys, or you are getting them? You are getting for them?
No, of course they will definitely when the kids are taken to the market.
Okay.
என்ன பார்க்கலாம்னு வேணுமாங்க. That is their intention. That is their mindset. But parents have to take a call. அது வேணுமா வேணாமா.
But in house they are not asking about anything like
house they are not asking.
They never see a TV character.
House ரொம்ப கேட்க மாட்டாங்க. These characters will be there in their mind. The moment they go to shop, if they see that same character on the shelf, they will be immediately attracted. அது ஒரு இது இருக்கு. அப்புறம் வந்து கிட்ஸ்ல இருந்து பார்க்கலாம் வேணும்பாங்க. கிட்ஸ் வந்து they want to see, they want to have everything. Okay. But parents have to take a call. எது வாங்கணும், எது வேணும், எது வேணாம். Because if you buy something, it's going to fill your space also.
Okay.
There is anything you buy, there is also maintenance comes along with that. Isn't it? Be it a toy or be it a furniture or anything. So that parents only take a call. இது வேணுமா வேணாமா. First வந்து அந்த டாய் நமக்கு பிடிச்சிடணும். Isn't it? We feel that it's good. Our kids will enjoy. So parents decide better than the grandparents.
Friends, sir, do you prefer these plastic toys nowadays? There are these claims that plastic toys are not safe.
In fact, almost all toys. Okay, I want to tell you this. You are asking about the Walton toys, no?
Right, sir.
Which one you prefer? Walton toys வந்து இப்போ grandparents அவங்க காலத்துல பார்த்தது இல்ல probably என்னோட ஜெனரேஷன்ல பார்த்தலாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா wooden toys தான் இருக்கும்.
Correct.
Wooden toys. There is nothing like plastic. Some 30-40 years before. 50 years back. இப்போ வந்து கிட்டத்தட்ட almost all toys are made up of plastic. There is definitely a plastic hazardness which comes into the environment because of this toy making industry. So personally I feel it is actually not good for the environment because you cannot dispose it. You cannot dispose it. It's not disposable, right?
Okay.
But on the other hand, the olden toys like wooden toys, they are actually, it has a lot of I am attracted by the wooden toys than the plastic toys, even though plastic toys have its own attraction. But it is not it's not good for the environment. அதே சமயத்துல வந்து wooden toys பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is eco-friendly and unfortunately it is not there in the market at all. Okay, it's not there in the market. இப்போ சின்ன இந்த உரல், இந்த பழைய காலத்துல பாத்தீங்கன்னா உரல் வச்சிருப்பாங்க வீட்டுல. இந்த உரல் மாடல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா இதே கிச்சன் செட்ல இருந்து எல்லாமே வந்து உடல்லே கிடைக்கும். உடல்ல கிடைக்கும், ஈவன் மெட்டீரியல் கிடைக்கும். லைக் இந்த பித்தளை அந்த மாதிரி பாத்திரமா ஏதோ ஒரு வீட்டுல ரீசெண்டா பார்த்தேன். The entire kitchen set is there in the பித்தளை பாத்திரத்துல இருக்கு. Even I was attracted by that. Of course, my kid went to their house. She started playing. So So even the metal பண்ணக்கூடிய எதுமே வந்து it's even more nice than the plastics. So wherever possible they can make it with metal or wood. இப்போ கம்பரம் வந்து நீங்க உடன்ல பண்ணா அட்ராக்டிவா இருக்கும். அந்த எஃபெக்ட் எல்லாம் உடன்ல நல்லா இருக்கும். So அந்த மாதிரி விஷயங்கள்லாம் உடன்ல பண்ணா பெட்டரா இருக்கும். Yeah, rather than going for plastic one. This toy industry they have to take care of these things. That they should not dump too much of plastics on the market. So that partly they concentrate on the wooden and other stuff. So that the plastics can be avoided wherever possible.
Okay.